couple times.
Hello everybody and welcome back. This is part 2. We're doing pole stations. Now if you can see, 2 of them are pulled, 3 of them are not. Because, well, 3 of them are pulled. The notifier, you can't tell that's pulled. So we're going to start with our pole stations, and we also have some switch as well. So this one. So we're going to do it like we did with the notification appliances. We're going to start off from the top to the bottom. First off, we have here is a notifier BNG1. It's already pulled. As you can see, the model, let me focus. Model BNG1. This is the original BNG1. This is the notifier sticker, and there's pigtails, which we're all familiar with. Next off we have here is a Huntington pole. I do have the hex with this, so with me right now. So we're gonna lift and pull. So we're gonna lift and pull. Apparently there's no brake rods in here. The key to the left. And the model of this is RMS1P. So, yeah. We have a little button here. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset the pole by taking the cover and have it back on. Very simple. They even need to use the key to reset it. Next off we have here is my notifier NAR/10. This is the agent release notifier MBG10. It's already pulled. I try to get. I can't find anyone know how many times to twist it left to get this thing unlocked. So yeah, it's gonna be complicated. And there's your terminals. Apparently there's some wiring hanging in the back. Next off is my first pole station, the notifier, the Firelight BG12. I do have the key with me. Pretty simple. Next off we have here is my Simplex 2099-9903 dual action T-bar. This is actually my first ever T-bar. I still yet need to get the key, but we'll get that over with soon enough. And here's the pig wires. There was supposed to be like terminal things like around here, but they just had to type with the pig wires on it. I want to consider this as a pole station, but I had to put this in the video because I had gotten this for some reason. This is actually a Chemitronics abort switch. So you just flip the switch. This whole toggle up. This is the switch. So yeah. So the information on the back. Use ring stocking for wire termination. So this is actually a underwritten signaling device AF3415. And this is, there you go. Here's the whole thing right here in the middle, which I'm pretty sure they do something on the back, on the front. So yeah, that is it. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this part 2 of my fire alarm collection. This was again part 2 of the collection. This is the pole stations. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, homies. Bye.